This will be a brief demonstration of how to do linked single crochet or linked SC. It's just basically single crochets that are linked together, much like the principle of linked double crochets. So a single crochet, you would just normally do this, and that's a single crochet. To link it, you pick up the vertical bar here, put your hook through, and then go into the next stitch as if you're doing a single crochet. You've got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and that's a linked single crochet. I'll do that again. Pick up the vertical bar, hook through the vertical bar into the next stitch, work as if you're doing a single crochet, yarn over, pull through till you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. One more time, through vertical bar, next stitch, yarn over, 3 stitches on your hook, and that is linked single crochet. All your single crochets are linked to each other, and that's it.